Good morning. It is March 10th. It is week 11. We are 11 weeks into this, and last week I just got my client list for the first time. So 11 weeks in, just got my list of the people that I am going to be able to call on. And so I started calling on them, and I over and over again thought to myself, oh my gosh, there's so many people, there's so many, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get back and talk to Derek about what's going on this week, what's going on next week. So my big takeaway is my accountability partner, the person who is on the other side of this camera, who is keeping me on track, keeping me focused on what I need to do, how I need to do it. It's huge. I cannot emphasize it enough. So the things that I also did last week is I put together this. These are my 12 daily sales musts. So I have the first one's pray 10 minutes. The second one is read for 10 minutes. The third is exercise for 20 minutes. There's 40 minutes of me time, which is pretty darn good. The fourth one is look at the bid dates and look forward to the upcoming week. Do your homework, and that's actually number 12. But look forward. What do you have to do? Don't just let something become a surprise. Finish your estimate. Finish your day out. Don't be like, oh, I'll put it off to the next day. If you've got something you have to do that day, get it done. And so that's for me, finish my estimates. Contact 6 clients per week. Learn about a new product. Every day, learn about a new product. Because in my business, you need to know your products. You need to know how you can support those people. Treat my job like it's my company. If I didn't, I would be like, it's no big deal. But if it's my company, I'm going to work harder. Know the numbers, what I have spent and what I have earned. It's really important so I don't overspend. Make sure my conversations, notes, videos, bids, and expenditures are up to date. So I have an Excel. This is what I did. This is who I talked to. Make sure those are up to date so they're not just sitting in my head. Connect with my team. And the last one is do my homework. Get ready for the next day. So I'm going to make sure that this week I win my day and I win my week with taking care of my 12 sales musts. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good week. I got back on track, and that's what the accountability partner is for. You can do it too, and I'll see you next week.